Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, guys. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin market as we do usually on Monday. Also, we would like to announce that on the forum we put our fundamental analysis, monthly fundamental view on the Bitcoin, our traditional report that we prepare every month, and there we have collected some important news that could make an impact and events that could make an impact on the Bitcoin and crypto market in general. So with this report that we prepared monthly, we try to understand the overall sentiment that stands on the market. And currently, just in 2 words speaking, there are some important moments and events have happened that makes us think on the slightly bearish sentiment on the market. Although the price action in the recent couple of sessions shows opposite statement, but in general, markets right now are waiting for coming of the institutional investors, and they wait month by month, but nothing happens in this sphere, and that makes markets be a bit tired from this unstoppable expectation, and decrease the sentiment. Also, some products that should be started these months have been postponed. Now, some other events have happened. So we think that will be interesting to you if you will take a look at it. So, speaking on the technical part of the situation, right now market stands at the very important area. So, actually, this is the moment where the market could change the sentiment into bullish, at least in the short-term charts on the daily chart. Because take a look, guys. These two actions that we see on the daily chart contradicts to each other. First action was the reversal daily sell-off and was really very strong, where market engulfs not just the previous session but mostly more than the week of trading. So this has been engulfed by this sell-off in one trading session. By itself, this is a reversal session. And usually, when the reversal session forms, it leads to the continuation. So, quite rare happens that the reversal session ends as it is. So, usually after some pullback, market shows the continuation of the reversal. But currently, guys, as you can see, the ABCD pattern that we were talking about previously, with the probably 3 weeks, have been completed, and market stands in dangerous close to top of this reversal session. Overall price action right around the target doesn't correspond to the bearish market. It's too stable action around the completion point of the ABCD pattern. It could be the sign that market is building an energy for the challenging of the previous stops. This really could happen. And from that standpoint, the processes that we see on the intraday chart makes us think that although ABCD pattern is completed, before taking the short position, we need to get the clear reversal signs. And currently, we do not see it, because when the market stands at the edge and the break-even point, it's every time it forms the significant risk of the breakout. And before taking position at the edge and at the equilibrium point between the bullish and bearish context, it's better to get some clear signs of the direction that you would like to follow. So if you would like to follow the upward action, well, in this case, maybe in current situation, it is more logical to use kind of the breakout tool. So maybe the stop entry order, stop buy order above the stop. So if market will break it up, stops will be triggered, and the market will show definitely the acceleration here, and you will jump in right in the moment of the breakout. But if you would like to go short, despite that we have actually here this cheapo to sell pattern in place, we do not see real signs of the reversal, real bearish patterns on the intraday charts. Besides, there's some problems with the patterns that already have been formed. So if we'll take a look at the follow time frame chart, recall what we have talked about. Sorry, not on the follow chart, on the hourly chart. Recall what we've got previously. So if you remember, we talked about the hand shoulders pattern. This market then turns above the neckline, shows rally. Here we said, well, it's logical to suggest maybe some pullback here because market has formed reversal swing, and it's normal for a market to form the deep pullback here. But no pullback has followed, if you remember, on Friday action, and market just jumped up right to the target. So although it has completed our major context, we were wrong on the expectation of the pullback here. So market shows kind of the strength, and in the current circumstances, it means that blindly taking the short position, right, because we are at target, it's not quite not good idea in current moment. Because on the follow time frame chart, take a look what we have. Market has completed as our minor ABC bottom XOP target hits right here. Market also has completed our AB equals CD large pattern and creates cartilage triple to sell pattern here on 4-hour time frame chart. But take a look on the reaction. Market stands stable above the target. So 40.85 was the target, but market shows just minor reaction here and moves up. So this is also kind of the bullish reversal session on the follow time frame chart. Because market is climbing higher. So the chances currently on the breakout and acceleration here looks significant. That's why that's our warning to you that until we will get the clear signs of the breaking these upper lows and upper highs, high lows and high tops tendency, it would be better to not take the short position just by the reason that we stands at the completion of the ABCD target. It's better to wait for some clear bearish reversal patterns here in this moment. And in general, guys, action so deep inside of the sell-off on the daily chart is breaking all the fib levels and standing right at the near the top in the tight consolidation. This is not the way how usually the bearish market behaves. This really suggests existing of some hidden power in the market, and that's the warning sign for the bears. That's why, guys, despite that market has completed our ABC retracement, but the manner how it has happened makes us worry on the bearish perspective. And our suggestion and conclusion here, guys, right now on the Bitcoin market is do not take the short position right now, at least until we will get clear bearish reversal patterns on the intraday charts. Because currently we suggest that indeed market could make the challenge of the breakout of the tops. For the bull traders, well, the one of the way that we see here is possibly using of the stop entry order on the breakout of the 42 even area right here. So it's one of the way how you could act. Second way is just wait for the breakout and take position on the retracement. So maybe you will find some other tools that you could use here for position taking. So that's our current view on the Bitcoin market.